Building a sustainable and stylish wooden garden bench from recycled materials holds significant importance in contemporary outdoor decor, merging eco-consciousness with aesthetic appeal. As the world increasingly grapples with environmental challenges, the shift towards sustainable practices in home and garden design has never been more relevant. Creating outdoor furniture from recycled materials not only minimizes waste, but also embodies a commitment to a greener lifestyle, making it an attractive choice for modern consumers. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of sustainable and stylish wooden garden bench design ideas from recycled materials for contemporary outdoor decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The significance of using recycled materials lies in their ability to reduce the demand for new resources. In a society where deforestation and resource depletion are pressing issues, repurposing wood from old furniture, pallets, or construction sites provides a viable solution. This process not only conserves trees, but also reduces the carbon footprint associated with manufacturing new materials. By choosing to build a garden bench from recycled wood, artisans and DIY enthusiasts contribute to a more sustainable future, demonstrating that beautiful outdoor decor can be achieved without compromising the planet. Moreover, the character and uniqueness of recycled materials add an intrinsic value to the final product. Each piece of wood carries its own history, often featuring unique textures, colors, and imperfections that tell a story. This individuality enhances the aesthetic appeal of the garden bench, making it a focal point in outdoor spaces. In an era where mass-produced furniture often lacks personality, a bench crafted from reclaimed wood stands out as a testament to creativity and craftsmanship. The organic beauty of weathered wood, with its distinctive grains and patinas, brings warmth and charm to any garden, inviting people to gather and enjoy the outdoors. Building a garden bench from recycled materials also aligns with the principles of modern design, which often emphasize minimalism and functionality. The simplicity of a well-designed bench not only serves a practical purpose, but also complements the natural environment. Many contemporary outdoor spaces prioritize clean lines and understated elegance, and a sustainably crafted bench can enhance this aesthetic. By integrating the bench into the landscape, artisans can create a harmonious connection between the built environment and nature, encouraging people to appreciate the beauty of their surroundings. In addition to aesthetic considerations, constructing a garden bench from recycled materials fosters a sense of community and connection. Many people are drawn to sustainable practices because they reflect a shared commitment to protecting the environment. When individuals come together to create or purchase such items, it cultivates a sense of belonging and collective responsibility. Workshops that teach the art of building furniture from recycled materials can bring communities together, fostering friendships and collaboration while promoting sustainability. This communal approach to crafting not only enhances the social fabric, but also inspires a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship and the environment. The practicality of a wooden garden bench made from recycled materials should not be underestimated. These benches are often robust and durable, particularly when constructed from high-quality reclaimed wood. Many recycled materials, such as old barn wood or shipping pallets, are designed to withstand the elements, making them ideal for outdoor use. This durability ensures that the bench can endure the rigors of outdoor living, from harsh weather conditions to regular use, while also offering a timeless aesthetic that can adapt to changing tastes and trends. In a world where outdoor living spaces are becoming increasingly important, the significance of stylish and sustainable furniture cannot be overstated. As people seek ways to enhance their gardens and patios, a well-crafted wooden bench serves as an inviting centerpiece for relaxation and socialization. Whether it's a sunny afternoon spent reading a book or an evening gathering with friends, a garden bench provides a comfortable space to enjoy the outdoors. By choosing sustainable options, consumers not only invest in their enjoyment, but also in the health of the planet. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Furthermore, the act of creating a wooden garden bench from recycled materials can be deeply rewarding. The process involves not just the physical labor of construction, but also a thoughtful consideration of design and functionality. As artisans work with their hands to transform reclaimed wood into a beautiful piece of furniture, they engage in a meditative practice that fosters creativity and mindfulness. This connection to the materials and the process of creation imbues the final product with a sense of purpose and intention, enhancing its significance beyond mere decoration. The growing trend of environmental awareness has led to an increasing demand for sustainable products, including outdoor furniture. Consumers today are more informed and discerning about their purchasing choices, often seeking items that reflect their values. A beautifully designed garden bench made from recycled materials speaks to this desire for authenticity and responsibility. It allows individuals to express their commitment to sustainability while also enjoying stylish, functional outdoor decor. Moreover, the significance of building a sustainable wooden garden bench extends beyond individual consumers. As more artisans and manufacturers embrace eco-friendly practices, they contribute to a broader cultural shift towards sustainability in design. This movement encourages innovation and creativity, pushing the boundaries of what can be done with recycled materials. By showcasing the potential of reclaimed wood in stylish outdoor furniture, artisans inspire others to consider sustainable alternatives in their own projects, fostering a ripple effect that promotes environmental stewardship. The emotional connection that people form with handcrafted items further underscores the importance of sustainable furniture. A wooden garden bench made from recycled materials is not just a piece of furniture. It is a symbol of thoughtful consumption and a testament to the creativity of its maker. When individuals choose to invest in such a piece, they are making a statement about their values and priorities. This emotional investment enhances the overall experience of owning the bench, transforming it from a simple object into a cherished part of their outdoor living space. The significance of building a sustainable and stylish wooden garden bench from recycled materials lies in its multifaceted benefits. It represents a commitment to environmental stewardship, offers a unique aesthetic, and fosters community connections. As people increasingly seek to enhance their outdoor spaces, these benches provide a practical, durable, and beautiful solution that aligns with modern values of sustainability and style. By choosing to create and embrace such pieces, consumers not only enrich their own lives but also contribute to a more sustainable future, demonstrating that conscious choices can lead to meaningful and impactful change. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked a sustainable and stylish wooden garden bench design ideas from recycled materials for contemporary outdoor decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.